Hi, in this video we're gonna learn how to get started with Showrunner version 2. We're gonna learn how to create a simple sequence and how to switch videos on a single layer. We have here the Showrunner itself, and we have the Showrunner player that could be on the same computer or could be spread across your computer network. To get started, we'll go to edit mode. We'll add a group of displays. In this case, we're going to add one display into one group. We're going to go to display settings and give it an IP number. In this case, it's going to be the local IP. As soon as the display connects to our Showrunner, it's going to go into full screen and the icon turns into green. Now I can drag my sequence. I have to start with a new task. I can drag 2 tasks for this demo, and I'll add a play for each one of them. As soon as I press the button, this playlist editor opens, and now I can select what group, what layer, what kind of media I'm going to use for this play command. I'm going to browse, in this case for video, and you can see as soon as I go into run mode and hit play, the video plays. Now if I want to switch to another video on the same layer, I'll select a different file, and once I press, the file changes. I can add a fade time to make it a bit nicer. I'll give it a 2-second fade, and now you can see the video dissolve through the previous one.